All right, welcome. Today, we are diving into something pretty exciting, the brand new leads management interface inside HelloLeads CRM. We're going to break down exactly how this big update is built to make your entire workflow faster, way smarter, and just a whole lot clearer. So let me ask you something. Have you ever been there just digging through endless menus, waiting and waiting for a page to refresh, all to find one single lead? Yeah, you know exactly how much that can drag you down. Well, this new interface, it's designed to make that specific frustration a thing of the past, for good. So, here's what we've got on tap. We'll start with the new way to manage leads, then we'll dive into the always-on filter sidebar, the clarity you get with card view, the power of bulk actions, and finally, we'll put it all together. All right, let's kick things off with section 1, a whole new way to manage. And I want to be clear, this is not just some cosmetic touch-up. Nope, this is a fundamental redesign built from the ground up to give you speed and, really intuitive control over all your leads. And this slide, wow, it really lays it all out, doesn't it? The evolution is crystal clear. Over on the left, you've got the old way. Filters were hidden, you had that rigid table layout, and that constant annoying need to refresh the page. But then, look to the right. This is the game changer. You've got an always visible sidebar, a super modern card layout, and get this, real-time updates. Seriously, no more waiting. Okay, so let's zoom in on that first huge feature, the always-on filter sidebar. The whole idea here is actually pretty simple. It's all about giving you the power to find any lead you need, whenever you need it, instantly. No more wasted clicks. And this quote right here, it just perfectly captures the new philosophy. Think about it. Before, all these powerful tools were hidden away behind an advanced filter button, an extra click you had to make. Now, they are right there, permanently available. It might seem like a small change, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. It turns filtering from a chore into just a totally seamless part of how you work. Right at the very top of that new sidebar, you're going to find the Smart Search. And this thing is powerful. It's not just searching for names. It scours everything. We're talking email, company, even those custom fields you've set up. And it gives you results instantly as you're typing. Then, right below that search bar, you've got these incredibly well-organized filter categories. This is where the magic happens. You can instantly drill down by things like deal size, or filter by any of your custom fields. Need to check on follow updates? Bam! It's right there. It's this level of super detailed control, always ready to go, that gives you true command over your entire lead list. Oh, and here's a quick pro tip for you. If you're ever looking for that unsubscribed filter, you're going to find it neatly tucked away under the Others category now. It's just a great little example of how everything has a clear, logical home in this new sidebar. Okay, moving on. Next up is what I like to call the visual heart of the new interface, clarity with card view. This is a big one because it's all about completely changing how you see and interact with your lead data. You see that shift away from a standard table to these organized cards? That was totally intentional. Think of each card as its own little mini dashboard for every single lead. It just makes all the key information so much easier to scan at a glance. And it ensures you get the same great experience, whether you're on a big desktop monitor or just on your phone. And the benefits? Well, they're pretty much immediate. Information is displayed way more clearly. You've got these distinct status indicators so you can size up a lead in a split second. Plus, with the fully mobile responsive design and quick actions built right into every card, you can genuinely work effectively from absolutely anywhere. All right, let's talk about efficiency, but at scale. I mean, what happens when you need to manage more than just one lead at a time? That's where our third major update comes in, power in bulk actions. This whole feature is designed to let you manage hundreds of leads just as easily as you manage one. And you know what the best part is? It's just so simple. There's no menu you have to go hunt for. The second you select even one lead using its checkbox, bam, this powerful toolbar just instantly appears right at the top, ready for you to use. And actually using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, step 1, you select your leads. Step 2, you pick an action from that toolbar. Maybe you want to assign them to someone or send a bulk email or SMS. And step 3, you just follow the quick prompts. That's it. It turns what used to be a repetitive, super time-consuming task into a quick, simple action that takes seconds. Now, for all you power users out there, you know who you are. The ones who live and breathe in spreadsheets, we've got something special called Sheet View. This is basically an Excel-like interface that lets you make bulk edits directly in a grid. It is absolutely perfect for when you need to update details for dozens of leads all at once without ever having to leave the page. So let's take a step back. We've seen the always-on sidebar, the new card view, and the powerful bulk actions. Now it's time to put it all together and talk about what this really means for your day-to-day productivity. So what's the bottom line? What does this all add up to? Well, you're looking at a major boost in productivity. You're getting much better lead organization, which leads to significant time savings. It's just a flat-out better user experience, which in turn enhances your team's collaboration. And of course, you get full mobile-friendly access to do your work from anywhere. Okay, and if you're coming over from the old system, think of this as your quick start guide. Wondering where the advanced filters went? They're now always visible in that left sidebar. That old table view, it's been replaced by the much more readable card view. And bulk actions? Just start selecting leads with the checkboxes, and that toolbar will pop right up for you. Easy. Look, at the end of the day, this whole redesign is about giving you back three things: speed, clarity, and control. Your entire lead management process just got a massive upgrade. So really, the only question left to ask is, what are you going to do with all the extra time you're about to save?